Well, I'm just gonna make a quick video here and let you guys know that my switchable tunes are ready to go. So if you want to pick one of those up, you can check them out on my website, optimalwelding.com, or I'll have the link in the description too. But yeah, I've been running it on my truck for a couple months now, and it's definitely dialed in. And I've been running it on Corey's truck for. Here, just let me shift here. I've been running on the 06 Mega Cab for a couple weeks now, and yeah, we've got all the little issues figured out and dialed in. There's no issues at all. It actually works better on the newer ECUs than it does on the early ECUs. Well, it works perfectly either way, but yeah, it was easier to make work on the newer ECUs. So if you want it, yeah, I can ship it out to you wherever you are in the world. Just check them out on my website there. I got like the black dial like that one, and then there's a gold dial and a silver dial, and then yeah, whatever you want. 4 level and 6 level. So yeah, check them out, optimalwelding.com. Look at this beauty day we got out here. Just cruising along the lake.